Hi, I'm David Figler. I'm the Vice President of Product Marketing here at Brookstone. The Brookstone Grill Light Pro is the better grill light. Of course, it starts with a wonderfully designed product that illuminates the whole grill surface with long-lasting LED lights. But we didn't stop there. We've added a lot of intelligence into the product. First thing we did was a food timer. Of course you need a food timer. You're cooking on a grill. There's a digital readout right on the top of our light. Set it for the amount of minutes you want, and it'll automatically inform you when that time is expired. We also added a light timer into the product. Simply hit the button and your light will automatically turn off after 6 minutes. These grill lights work on batteries, and we want to preserve the battery life, so it has an automatic off. So after 90 minutes, even if you haven't hit a button, it's automatically going to shut off. Our clamp-on design articulates in many different ways so you can make sure you get the perfect light coverage on your grill. It's a grill light, it's going to be outside, so of course we made sure it was also water resistant.